Welcome. This is the 10th tutorial on orthographic and isometric principles. This example was taken from the Grade 8 Technology workbook. On our right hand side we see the 3D model with dimensions provided to us. The question requires that we draw all three views of that model in orthographic onto our diagram on the screen. You will notice that the symbol for first angle was provided to us. Therefore, we know we need to draw the front, top and left view of the model. If no diagram was provided to us on the paper, we will draw in the X and Y axis, the 45-degree mirror line and the margin lines on the sides of our X and Y axis. When we start our drawing, we will make sure that we start from the anchor point of each of the different views. In this case, we will start with the front view first. We will draw a light construction line at a height of 50 mm from the anchor point onto our front view, and we will keep the projection going through to the left view. You will see the 50 mm total on the side of our 3D model where we combine 30 and 20 mm. Next, we will measure the 10 mm downward that we see on our 3D model and draw a projection line from the front view across to the left view as well. And then we will do the 20 mm from the anchor point of our front view and carry it over to the left view as well. Now we will take the 70 mm length of our 3D model and draw it from the anchor point on our diagram on the front view side and project it down to the top view as well. Then we will do all the other lengths for our front view as well and project it to the top view. We will now draw the base of our front view at a length of 70 mm, and we will fill in all of the other detail of our outline of the model provided. Now we will move on to the top view. I always follow the method of drawing the front view first, then the top view, and lastly the side views. I will start the top view by drawing in from the anchor point the line you see here, which is a total of 70 mm. Then I will draw in the depth of 50 mm as you see here on the edge from the anchor point on the margin line. And I carry over that 50 mm on the far left, and I complete the layout of the outline of my top view as shown here. I fill in the two solid lines that represent the corners of the surfaces seen from the top. Finally, we will draw the left view. I will start drawing the left view by projecting the depth of my top view onto the 45-degree mirror line. And from the 45-degree mirror line, project a light construction line straight up at an angle of 90 degrees to intersect with the height lines or projection lines that we projected from the front view. We will start the left view's baseline at the bottom from the anchor point and make sure that it is at a depth of 50 mm. Then we will continue to draw the layout of the outline of our side view. We also will fill in the solid lines that represent the corners of the surface seen from the left. For further clarity, I have highlighted the front view of our 3D model and also highlighted the front view on our orthographic answer. Here you can see the shape of our front view in 2D and 3D. I have also highlighted the top view on our 3D model and on the 2D surface of our top view in the orthographic answer. I have also highlighted the left view of our 3D model, and I also shown what that will look like on the 2D answer of our orthographic drawing. Notice the levels of our depth on the left view. For interest, I have shown where the marks will be allocated if I were to assess this drawing. On the front view, the green stars will indicate all the marks that you will get for every one of the lines provided correctly drawn at the right distance and angle and with the correct projection from the 3D onto the 2D answer. You'll also see the blue squares that allocate marks for the lines drawn on our top view. And finally, the red little dots that represent the marks that you will get for drawing the lines correctly in the left view. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the tutorial.